Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Josh and I make videos about how to make your money go the furthest. So if you're interested in that type of content and would like to see more like it, then please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel by smashing that subscribe button below. So one of the more common questions that I've been receiving lately is whether or not you can receive your stimulus check directly deposited into your Cash App. And the answer to that is yes, you can definitely receive your stimulus check directly deposited onto the Cash App. Now the Cash App is a completely safe service to use and kind of works like a bank, and it's like a way that you can send money to your friends or family, sort of like PayPal or Venmo. So you can definitely feel safe using this application and feel safe receiving your stimulus check directly deposited into your Cash App. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can set that up to where you'll be receiving your stimulus check directly deposited into your Cash App rather than having to wait weeks or even potentially months for a check to arrive in the mail. All right, so as you can see right on the Cash App website, it says that the government stimulus status update as of April 15th, Cash App customers with routing and account numbers on file with the IRS began to receive stimulus payments from the U.S. Treasury on Friday, April 10th. If you're eligible for a stimulus payment and included your direct deposit info on your 2018 or 2019 tax return, but haven't received a payment, it is most likely being processed and should arrive soon. Now for tax filers, on April 15th, the IRS released a tool called Get My Payment. It allows people who filed tax returns in 2018 or 2019 but didn't include direct deposit info to enter their Cash App routing and account numbers to receive stimulus payments electronically instead of by mail, which could take weeks or even months, as I mentioned earlier. It also allows filers to check the status of pending stimulus payments and that you can use the Get My Payment app here. So if you go ahead and click on that link, or if you click on the link in my description, I'll go ahead and start walking you through the steps right now. So once you go to irs.gov and click on Get My Payment, you'll be shown a screen that says check on the status of your economic impact payment. This application will give you information about your payment status, your payment type, whether we need more information from you including bank account information, and it says that you may need your 2019 return if filed and your 2018 return. So it just depends on what your most recent filed tax return was. And then from there, it will take you to a very official looking page like this one saying this U.S. government system is for authorized use only. And you can kind of read through that official text there and click on OK if you're fine with all of that. And then on the next page, it'll ask for your social security number or individual tax ID number. It'll ask for your date of birth, your street address, and your zip or postal code. After you do that, you go ahead and click on Continue. And then after that, it'll say whether or not they need more information. So for you, most likely they will need more information. And it'll tell you whether or not you're eligible for this payment. So in my case, I was eligible for the payment, but they didn't have enough information to directly deposit my payment at this time. From there, you go ahead and enter your bank information. So on this next page, after you click the blue button that says Enter Bank Information, it'll ask for your adjusted gross income. This will be on your most recent filed tax returns. Just look for the line on there that asks for your adjusted gross income. So make sure that you enter exactly what your adjusted gross income was on your most recent filed tax return. Then it'll ask whether you received a refund or whether you owed money. So you'll go ahead and click on which bubble was correct for you there. And then on the next line, it'll ask for the amount that you were refunded or the amount that you owed. And you won't have to input any $sign, no periods or commas. So if you were given a refund of $1,000, you'll just type in 1000, not 1,000, just 1000. And then on the next part, you'll click whether it's going to be a checking or savings account. And this is where you'll want to enter your routing number and your account number. So this will be for the Cash App. So you go ahead and click on the checking bubble, and then you'll type in the routing number for your Cash App, and then you'll confirm the routing number, and then you'll type in the account number for your Cash App and confirm that on the next line. And then finally, you go ahead and click on the blue Submit button, and on the next page, it'll let you know what the bank account confirmation was, and it'll say you have successfully submitted your bank account information. Your payment will be directly deposited into your bank account using the information that you provided, and it'll go ahead and reconfirm what your Cash App account number and Cash App routing number was. And then from there, you go ahead and click on exit. And if you go back through those same exact steps and you type in all that information, it'll take you back to the confirmation page and let you know exactly when that amount should hit your account, and it'll let you know your account number and routing number in which that payment is going into. So for me right now, it's not coming up with an exact date. For you, it might be a little bit different, and that could be updated either later today or tomorrow with the exact date. I assume most of us, if we haven't already received our payments today, will most likely be getting it either tomorrow or on Friday. So be on the lookout for that. But that about wraps up this video. I do hope that it helped. If you did enjoy the content in this one, you would like to see more videos like it, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and until next time, I'll see you guys, and I hope you have a great day today.